In this video, I'm going to be discussing the product property of logarithms. The key phrase that we can use to help remember the memory device might be products become plus. Okay, and what the product property says is that if I have the log of two numbers that are multiplied together, or two values, it could be like 3x, it could be a number and a variable, it doesn't matter. I can expand this, I can break those apart into two separate logarithms. Both of them are going to have base a, so that doesn't change, but what I can say is that instead of writing it as u times v inside the logarithm, I can write two separate logarithms. The first one will be log base a of u plus log base a of v. So a product, u times v, became a plus, two individual logarithms. A simple problem might be something like this. It says, write in terms of natural log of 2 and natural log of 3. And what they say is I've got the natural log of 6. So what I can do is I know this. I know that 6 is equal to 2 times 3. So I could rewrite this if I wanted to as the natural log of 2 times 3. And then once I know that, notice that I have a product. So I could write this as the natural log of 2 plus the natural log of 3. And that would be writing it in terms of the natural log of 2 and the natural log of 3. That's a typical math problem that you're going to see in the math book. Or they might say something like this, natural log of 18. Well, if that was the case, then I would have to know how can I use 2's and 3's to get an 18. Well, I would have to say, you know what, that's the natural log of 2 times 3 times another 3, right? 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18. And if that's the case, I have two products in the inside, but that's okay. Those are both going to become pluses. I'm going to have the natural log of 2 plus the natural log of 3 plus the natural log of 3 again. And if I want to, I could combine those, and I could say, you know what, that's natural log of 2 plus 2 natural log of 3's. And that would be the simplest form. Now, everything is written in natural log of 2 and natural log of 3. Now, if you're familiar with logarithms, and after this homework assignment you're going to be, you're going to see that there's a shortcut to get from here down to this bottom, how we got that 2 there. That's called the power property, and if you want to go watch that video, you can. But as for now, this will do. That's a little bit longer way to do it, but hey, you know what? It works. If you're ready to do this, if you understand this, ready to go on to the next video about the quotient property.